Hey, this is Mark, and I just created a Super Bowl contest video for Grok using their video tool, Imagine. Link in the description below. Go view it over on X, or I'll show you the video next. Views on X are what will determine a winner, but watch it now here too.
Who will win the Super Bowl, Seahawks or the Patriots? Good question. My money's on the Pats. All right, let's see. Grok says Seahawks, 52-48. Whoa, bold call. We'll see.
Hey Grok, what's the plan? It says, how about a movie night at 7? Perfect. Sounds good.
That's Grok. Hey Grok, where are we headed right now in this direction, and how long will it take to get there? Grok, there's an upcoming solar storm. Are we safe up here on the ISS? Hello, solar storms can be intense, but
Let Grok Imagine make your next full-length movie.
The more people who see these videos, the bigger the impact. That's where you come in. If you find value in what I'm sharing, please hit that like button, share this with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe. When you subscribe and turn on notifications, it signals to YouTube to show this content to more people. It means this message about creativity, resilience, financial empowerment, and community reaches those who might need it most.